was just in the desert for some fucking days.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I'm sorry, I haven't been posting, but I'm finally back, and I'm finna show you how I wash my brushes. So I use this olive oil to clean my brushes. That's really good. You can use any oil. You don't have to just use olive oil. I also use some Baby Johnson's shampoo. I use that sometimes, and I also use any type. You can use any type of shampoo, soap, any type. It doesn't matter. I recommend you to get like a much cheaper one though. Always have a towel by you as well when you wash your brushes. So we're finna wet this brush up. I wet it, and then I'm gonna show you guys two ways how to wash your brushes. The first one is just if you forgot to wash it for a week. I just get the Baby Johnson's and I put it in the palm of my hands, and that's all you'll need. And then just swirl your brush in the palm of your hands, and then you're going to use the end of your fingertips and go up and down with it in an up and down motion to actually really clean it and get in between the bristles. Now that that's done, I'm just rinsing the brushes. I'm going to run it over the water and then wring it out. I'm just going to use my finger, my thumb, and my pointer finger and just squeeze out the excess water. And then when I'm done with that, I'm just going to put it on the other side where the towel is and lay it on the towel. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my other, how I clean my other brushes. Like if I forgot to clean them for like a good month or two, that's really bad. But don't do that. But yeah, I get any soap I use, and then I add some olive oil to it, and yeah, I don't really care about the amount. I just need it to all be together, and I get the Baby Johnson as well. And I put that in there. I really recommend you use the Baby Johnson's because Baby Johnson soap or Baby Johnson shampoo, anything Baby Johnson, because I feel like that really is gentle for your brushes, I feel like. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing. Oh, I'm putting it in a little cup, but I'm just gonna repeat the same thing and to all my brushes.